As many of you know, I have accepted a challenge to post videos for 30 consecutive days. For the first week of this challenge, I have been talking about habits, motivation, and discipline. Today, I'm changing the format slightly, and I'm talking about a fun activity that supports all three of these. Today's subject is the power and persuasion that is available from studying chess. In small towns and inner city schools alike, many children are pushing their pawns towards advancement, not just on the board, but towards personal confidence, focus, and opportunity. Here in the Pacific Northwest and across America, chess is more than a personal pastime. It's driving changes in education one student at a time. From underfunded rural schools to urban Title I schools, chess programs are helping students develop critical thinking, patience, and resilience, often with life-changing results. In Spokane, Washington, Inland Chess Academy partners with public schools and provides after-school chess programs and chess clubs for elementary and middle schools. These after-school programs are designed and structured to provide critical thinking and confidence building. In Idaho, after-school chess programs sponsored by the Idaho Chess Association have sparked statewide scholastic competitions, drawing on chess students from all backgrounds. In Portland, Oregon, Chess for Success serves over 3,000 students from low-income schools. Reporting attendance and math score improvements, one student shared that chess helps them stay focused in school when everything at home is chaotic. In Hardin, Montana, on the Crow Reservation, after-school chess programs have turned out to be an unexpected tool for student engagement, helping kids strengthen problem-solving and self-confidence. In Casper, Wyoming, the Wyoming Scholastic Chess Organization sponsors tournaments which creates both competition and community. One fifth grader said that chess is the only thing that allows him to feel like a leader among his peers, where his mind and not his circumstances is what determines his standing. The research is clear. Chess programs provide transferable life skills in decision-making, focus, resilience, and self-control. Regardless of the zip code, whenever a chess study program is incorporated to scholastic studies, attendance improves, engagement improves, and peer relationships also improve. From crowded urban classrooms to rural gyms, chess programs are not only teaching kids how to play chess, but also to plan, focus, and pursue their dreams. It's a powerful reminder that a simple board game with 64 checkered squares has the ability to move children's lives forward, no matter where they begin. Tomorrow I will return to my normal programming format, where I will explore the potential for enjoyment of adversity. I hope this story has given you a new perspective about how a simple board game can offer meaningful and lasting change. If you want to develop your ability to plan and focus, start a personal chess study program. And when you're ready to make a difference in the lives of young Americans, volunteer as a chess coach. It gives you the opportunity to change a life of a young American, to build and strengthen our communities, and help create a better, stronger America. May you have the courage to start something challenging, the discipline to continue, and the grace when your performance is not to the level you would like. Until tomorrow, let us give thanks for our daily bread.